Okay, here's a second lesson on simultaneous equation solving. And this equation reads, or this problem reads, if m minus n equals 5 and 2m plus 3n equals 15, find m plus n. So here, it's not just find m or just find n. They want you to find m plus n, which I think the simplest way is probably just to find whichever one is easier and then find the other one after you did that, and then just basically get m plus n. So once again here, do a pause, go through this yourself, find out which one it is. Each of these problems you should be able to do in about 1 minute to 2 minutes. That's about how much time you'll get on the test to do it. These ones probably you can do in that amount of time without too much trouble. Okay, so hit a pause and then do it, and then I'll do mine. Okay, so on this one, I'll just line them up just the way they are. M minus n equals 5. 2m plus 3n equals 15. Well, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate the n's. I'll solve for m first. I like that because I've already got a negative sign on the end. So I'll just take the first equation, multiply it by 3, and I'll add them up. Okay? Well, let's see. 3 times, okay, so let's just see. Well, I selected 3, of course, so that the negative 3n is going to cancel that. So I get 3m and 2m. So the 2m, that's 5m. The n's cancel. And over here I get 15 plus 15. That's 30. So I get m equals 6. Okay? And since m minus n equals 5, that means 6 minus n equals 5. And that means I'll just do this. I take n, I bring it to this side where it becomes positive n. I take the 5, I bring that to the other side where it becomes negative 5. That's just how numbers work on equations. You basically can think of that as subtracting it from both sides, or in this one you add it to both sides. But the way I think about it is, I just move it across. It's almost like a magic mirror. 5 goes through the magic mirror, comes out negative. The n goes through the negative n goes through the magic mirror, comes out positive on the other side because they're adding them. And then when you're multiplying it, it goes down to the bottom. If it's on the top, then it goes the other way. It's like the mirror, it's like the opposite. See, so that's just a way to remember it. Okay, so now I do that, I get 6 minus 5 equals n. And of course, n equals 1. You almost could have seen that right from here. You just said n equals 1 because 6 minus 1 equals 5. But that's how you solve it using algebra. So m plus n is going to equal 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. And that's going to be C.